So, hello everyone. I have got this 3D printed from robo.com case. Let's see how it comes out. Keep it aside. It is a FDM printed with 100% fill capacity. It was completely designed by myself. Design is good. Build quality is also strong. Details, actually it's an FDM printer, so you can't expect much accuracy and a smooth finish, but overall I think it's strong. I will see the fitment. I will also check the fitment. Let's compare it first with the design we have made, right? So this is the design. This is in Fusion 360. Here you can see. Design. You can see. So you can see this is the Fusion 360 design which I have made and given to print the robo.com for further printing. You can see the details. Now let's see this one. So this is from the top side like this, and you can see this is from the top side. This is this side. Now this is other side. This side, this side. No, this is the point. This is the other side. See, like this is the front one, so this is the other side this way, right? Okay. This is top. This one. This is bottom one, and this is back side. Since there is reflection, sorry for that. Let's eat on the bottom side, like this. Let's see the fitment of the screen, and we'll check how it works. See, actually I have separated the screen and this for checking the fitment of this. It looks a bit thicker in this, like this one. Okay, but it's a prototype, so it's allowed to make such things. Let's check for this screen. I think, okay, this is the top part. These two holes are for light sensor and torch. Okay, these two parts are for light sensor and torch. So let's see top side if it fits in it. Okay, it goes directly into this complete fitment. See, there's a gap of 5.5 mm. There will be acrylic sheet, transparent acrylic sheet on this glass, protection glass, and some logos and markings for this. See, it's complete fitment. Okay, now it's time for this main motherboard. Okay, this larger part will go there. Okay, let's see how this goes pretty well. Wow, that works. Okay, this one. Okay. You can see it's pretty good. It went completely inside it. Fitment is also good. Okay, this way. Buttons. So it's almost fit here, and see the position of buttons, which is good. There will be some external push buttons for that, and this is charging port. This is another button. This space for some sensors. This is backside. I think there's still scope of reducing this width. There's still some scope of reducing this width, because you can see there are lots of empty space inside it. I think it's around 5 mm it can reduce, so it will be around of this thickness. Okay, for now I think it's looks pretty not bad that much. I can't say it's pretty good, but it looks not that much bad. So it's for product, it's a prototype for prototype. Let's see for further work. I will update the progress in that once I get from free from some other works. Okay, for that stay tuned.